How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Hartless Airsoft. This week I'm using the super realistic replica of a Dan Wesson 715 revolver. Each shell takes 1 BB and reloads like the real version. 6 shots and a 20-meter range. I like a challenge. My team's objective is to enter enemy territory and capture a pair of high-value targets. We must first shoot them, place their weapons out of play and search them for hidden knives and explosives. I'm using the stock ASG MP9 as a primary. It has incredible range and trigger response. I spot the high-value targets, but they get away while I medic my teammates.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. That's the VIP guy over there. Yeah, that's a VIP guy. Let's go and get him.
Now I'm in range of the enemy bunker. It's time to deploy the revolver. After reloading, I push up to the outer wall of the enemy bunker to compensate for my lack of range and ammo.
Thanks. Hit! Whoa, I didn't see you there.
I respawn and push on to the next compound.
Collar.
I spot the high-value targets and take my chances with a direct assault. We search the high-value targets inside the nearest building to avoid enemy fire.
For now.
A few weapons here, really.
There we go, beg your pardon. Right, someone hold that for a second.
Take the bag off him.
Have I got to do everything? So there's something else here tucked in the lining.
Yeah, there's one here.
That's another knife. So All of you are dead already. Two flashbangs, two knives. There's the AK.
A pistol.
Get out.
Mate, I've got shit everywhere.
How heavy
Find another one.
carrying?
Another knife.
Another knife.
Another knife.
Knife.
No, it's knee pads.
It's my knife.
Has anyone checked his cavity?
Yeah,
Steady, steady. Cough, cough.
Not to hurry you guys.
Got back up.
We're under fire, guys. She behind us up there.
With my team taking fire, I decide to flank around through the dense woodland.
Nice one. Sorry if I hit you in the face.
No, it's alright. Not your fault anyway.
3 shots left.
You can do a lot with 3 shots, right?
Contact right!
With that last shot, that's me out of ammo. Time to return to the safe zone. That's it for this week's gameplay. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.